Papalapit na po ang National Nurses Week sa Canada. Sa Vancouver, isang event ang inorganisa ng International Nursing Alliance pagtutulak sentro ang self-care ng mga nurse. Alamin ang detalye sa ulat na ito. Sa British Columbia, kasalukuyang isinasagawa ang strike vote ng mga nurse sa probinsyang kasapi ng BC Nurses Union. Matapos di magkaroon ng kasunduan ng Union at ng probinsya.
We have been actually putting everything in the back burner as far as our health and well-being is concerned. And I think as nurses, we deserve as well to be looked after when it comes to our benefits and things as we serve the community.
Ang botong ito, kasabay din ang pagsisimula ng National Nurses Week. Ang International Nursing Alliance o AINA sa Vancouver, magkakaroon ng self-care event, pagbibigay pugay sa mga nurse, nursing assistants, caregivers, retired nurse, pati nursing students.
We need to look after ourselves as well. It's not about our patients only, but it's most importantly our well-being as nurses because we can only take care of others if we ourselves are fit and healthy.
Anya kahit pagod o busy sa trabaho, mahalaga raw maisingit pa rin ang ehersisyo sa schedule.
After a night shift, I don't usually drive. I just walk few blocks going to the train station. That's actually my way of like doing self-care, having fresh air in the morning if I'm from night shift, right?
Payo ni Lindong, subukan daw ang iba't ibang ehersisyo para mahanap ang swak sa lifestyle at health limitations. Sa event, pangungunahan ni Lindong ang Zumba. Isang Arnis demo rin ang isasagawa na ayon kay Arnis guro na si Neil Tabangkura, makakatulong daw sa kahit sino.
Health workers, they're doing really wonderful jobs. They're doing wonderful work, and I know by the end of the day, they're tired, they're stressed out. So magandang stress reliever ang pag-iensayo ng Arnis.
Nakakadagdag daw ito ng stamina, confidence, control sa sarili at balanse. Mahahasa rin daw ng Filipino martial arts ang reflexes na maaaring makatulong sa trabaho ng nurses.
Yung training sa Arnis, even the basic, how to block, how to react properly, it will definitely help them.
Ang pagsasagawa sa mga nasabing activity, pansamantalang pahinga para sa mga nurse na kritikal sa health system ng Canada. Magaganap ang self-care in the midst of global crisis ng AINA sa Canada Place sa Vancouver, Sabado, May 9.